How to merge two videos in Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can merge two videos in Canva. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Google Chrome. Now once in the search bar of the browser, type in canva.com. Then press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Canva. You ensure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Now here, in this interface, you will be able to locate this video icon. Simply click on it, or you may also click on Create a Design button at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear. Now from here, select the Videos option and then select a template. Now simply click on the template. Once you have selected the template, now you will be taken to the editing space. In this space, here at the left side, you will be able to see different icons. Simply click on this upload icon and then select a video that you would like to upload. You may also click on this upload files button and then select a video from your device. Or you may also select the videos option and select a video from here. Simply click on the video and it will be added to your canvas. Once the first video is added to your canvas, now you can resize or position it as needed. Or you may also right click on it and then from this menu click on Set Video as Background. Once you do so, it will be set as background. Now once you have done that, here at the bottom you will be able to locate Add option. Simply click on this plus icon. Now select the second video. Simply click on the video and then it will be added to your canvas. Now you can resize the second video, or you may also do the same as in first video. Simply right click on it and then select Set Video as Background option from the pop-up menu. Now by doing so, you'll be able to add the videos. Now you will need to adjust it similarly. You can trim the video by simply moving the cursor to the video, and once the arrow appears, you will need to slide it to the left side in order to trim your video. Do the same in the second video, and if you would like to preview it, simply click on the play button to preview your merged video. If you would like to add transition between the pages, then you can simply click on the edit button at the top or click on the animate button in order to add the transition. Once you click on animate, at the left side you will be able to see different features. Simply click on one of these in order to add it to your video. Now once you are satisfied with it, you can simply click on the share button at the top right and then select the download option from here. After that, choose your correct format from here. Simply click on the format and choose the preferred format. And then click on download in order to save your merged video. So this is how you can merge two videos in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.